According to the technician, my last MacBook stopped working because of a combination of dust and moisture in the device. No clue how that happened, but it's not happening again. Once in place, they're kind of a snug protective seal that blocks debris and moisture, keeping the ports clean so that everything can connect properly and you can have consistent charging and data transfer. And they do have a slight texture, so once they're in, they don't pop out, so you can throw them in bags and things of that nature. They are about the size of my thumbnail, and when I intentionally wanted to remove them, they did come out easily. Overall, I'm hoping this tiny accessory can save me from costly repairs. I want it to limit any lint in the charging ports, and I would like to just set it and forget it. Overall, such a simple solution for maintenance. These dust plug covers are simple and visible protection, universal fit, durable material, everyday convenience. They help keep my devices running as long as possible. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.